Hey there, my name is Tina. I welcome you to Wealth Pulse TV. Today we're breaking down the best side hustles for women in 2026 and not the tired, overused ones you've already scrolled past a million times. These are fresh, profitable, fast growing ideas you probably haven't heard of yet haven't subscribed to Wealth Pulse TV. Please do so right away so you don't miss my videos. I upload every week. Now, let's jump right in. 1. AI assisted personal brand manager. In 2026, creators and small business owners are exploding online, but most of them are overwhelmed by content. As an AI assisted personal brand manager, you help them stay consistent without doing the heavy lifting yourself. Using AI tools, you can plan weekly content calendars, rewrite captions, repurpose videos into TikToks and Reels, manage comment engagement, maintain a polished online presence. You can start with one client at $300 to $800 per month. This is a highly scalable, low-stress digital service, perfect for anyone who loves creativity and organization. 2. Digital wardrobe curator. With digital closet apps booming, people are uploading pictures of their entire wardrobe, but they don't want to deal with sorting it all. That's where you come in. As a digital wardrobe curator, you help clients organize their virtual closets, build outfit plans, create capsule wardrobes, suggest new pieces based on their style and budget. Stylists charge $50 to $200 per closet, plus monthly outfit planning subscriptions. This side hustle is especially powerful for women with an eye for fashion, aesthetics, or Pinterest style boards. 3. AI course localization specialist. The online course industry is becoming global fast. Creators want their content available in multiple countries, but simply translating isn't enough. They need localization. As a specialist, you help adjust course content so it makes sense culturally and linguistically. Using AI gives you the first draft and you refine it. Your tasks include translating scripts, updating cultural examples, reformatting lessons, adding subtitles, modernizing slides. This pays $400 to $2,000 per course, and you can work fully remote. 4. Voiceover licensing for creators. Short form video content is everywhere, and creators constantly need voiceovers that sound natural and feminine. You can record hook lines, transitions, narration snippets, call to action packs, background voice libraries, upload them to marketplaces, or sell them directly. Each pack sells for $20 to $100, and once recorded, it becomes passive income. If you've ever been told you have a great voice, this one is a gold mine. 5. Digital wellness concierge. The wellness industry has exploded, but most people still lack accountability. As a digital wellness concierge, you provide structure, not therapy, not medical advice, just organization and personalized routines. Services include habit building, weekly check ins, goal planning, sleep, hydration, or productivity routines, simple meal or mindfulness guidance. Clients pay $60 to $150 per month for someone who keeps them consistent. If you enjoy wellness and helping others, this is both meaningful and profitable. 6. Ethical product finder. Consumers are more conscious than ever, but finding genuinely ethical, eco-friendly, non-toxic products takes hours of research. You can build a niche by doing that research for them. Offer personalized recommendations, gift lists, clean beauty shopping guides, eco-friendly essentials lists, non-toxic baby item guides. You can sell these as digital downloads or charge per consultation. This is perfect for women who love sustainability and digging into details. 7. Micro event and experience curator. People no longer want big events, they want curated aesthetic experiences. Think luxury picnics, girls' night setups, proposal scenes, small birthday tablescapes, intimate dinner experiences. You can start small using mood boards and simple decor. Each micro event can bring $150 to $600 depending on complexity. These are the best side hustles for women in 2026, unique, profitable, and filled with opportunity. Comment below which one you'd like a step-by-step tutorial for. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.